Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. TrentIsMyAgent.com. Big thanks to Trent. Big thanks to all of you, and big thanks to all of our other sponsors as well. We've had snow squalls, snow showers today. We're going to have some lake effect snow showers and mainly our northeastern and eastern counties for the night. The rest of the area, perhaps a few snow showers and flurries for a little bit. May put down a few dustings. There'll be more in the way of accumulation in the northeast and the east, but still a lot of wind that'll blow what little bit of snow we got, an inch or less today. It will blow that around a little bit. So areas that have a little snow blown over the road, watch for a few slick spots there. But most roads are okay in areas that at least haven't had snow blow over them. We are tracking, though, more clippers, more snow showers, even a few snow squalls. A lot of wind, much colder weather overall, and two main rounds of brutally cold weather are ahead. This one coming up is just kind of an intro round of cold. And still watching for a clipper kind of Texas system phasing that may bring snow and a little ice to the area, and that could be two storms that we have to deal with. Again, the conditions are there. They're ripe for it. It's just a question is, well, are they going to phase in exactly the right place to bring us quite impactful snow and a little ice? A lot of clouds, some pockets of clearing. The sun's trying to poke through here and there in parts of the area, but the line of at least snow squalls is south of us, and a lot of the snow showers have slid south of us. The greatest concentration right now is really over our northeastern counties, and a few snow showers still lingering in the north. And then there's that lake effect streamer you see there. With time tonight, more and more, the thickest clouds and more of the snow action, again, will be shifting more into our northeastern and eastern counties. So here's Greater Lafayette. You know, our forecast area is here. There's your lake effect band. Snow showers here, some up here, and a few little flurries and snow showers back here. The trend overnight, again, is more snow here. These fade a little bit, and we'll get pockets of clearing. And with pockets of clearing and a little bit of snowpack and just downward Arctic air coming in, some of you will drop into the single digits for lows. We're already running 20 to about 24 degrees area-wide with wind chills, single digits and teens after earlier highs today as high as low 40s. We're in the 30s to low 40s initially. There's Remington and east of Flora. Light dusting at Flora. A little more in the way of snowfall here at Remington. That's still less than 1 inch though. And the skies are lightening up a little bit there in Remington as we get some breaks in the clouds. So there is that lake effect right there into tonight and early tomorrow morning, running from roughly the Pulaski, Fulton, and Cass County areas. That's where it's going to concentrate, but a few snow showers could still make it as far south from the lake as Lebanon, Tipton, Sheridan area, Frankfort area, maybe eastern Tippecanoe, parts of Montgomery County as well, and even southeastern White County. And this snow will add up. I mean, anywhere from Winamac here to Logansport, likely closer to perhaps an additional ½ inch of snow. But boy, once you get northeast of Winamac and into Fulton County, northern Miami, 1 to 2 inches, common. There will be probably a narrow band that gets more than 2 inches of snow tonight. With the wind, that is going to blow around. So travel issues the most up here in northern Miami, Fulton County, somewhat parts of Pulaski, Cass, and even down to Kokomo. We may have another coating or dusting of snow, dusting at Tipton, and a few light dustings a little farther to the west as well. Well, then we go to Friday. I mean, tomorrow's a cold day. It's kind of breezy. The lake effect goes away, and we get some sunshine. But we got another clipper to track. And Friday morning, there's going to be a wave of snow that comes through. You'll see it right here. There it is, comes through in the morning. Likely pretty early, actually. This could impact the morning commute. Kids headed off to school on Friday. Then it pulls away. We get the accumulation. And then we get this break where it's really not doing anything. The sun may even try to poke through, and temperatures rapidly warm up. This is a bit of a warm front. The Clipper's here, but the warm front is about right here. So wave of snow initially, then the warm front goes through, we get a little sun, we warm much of the area above freezing, so we get melting. Then the cold front comes through, and with that cold front in the evening right there, see it right there? We get around to some snow showers and perhaps a couple snow squalls that come through the area, and some scattered snow showers even into Friday night, and I think Saturday some scattered snow showers as well. So for Friday, this is mainly in the morning. A lot of the area is going to get near an inch of snow. There may be a few spots that get a little bit more. And it's going to be very haphazard who gets the 1.5 inch amounts, the 1.4 inch amounts, the 1.6s, and who gets the, say, 0.8 of an inch of snow or 1/2 inch of snow. Because not everybody's going to get exactly an inch, but there'll be a lot of locations that get around an inch, perhaps a little bit more than that. This particular model, again, not a huge amount of confidence in it on the exact placement, but it puts 1 to 1.5, 1.8 inches, Rockville, Crawfordsville up to Kokomo, and then up here in Newton County and the rest of the area, inch or less. Regardless, there'll be a burst of snow. It may lead to some slick conditions. Some areas will get a little less than an inch, some places a little bit more, and other places right at 1 inch of snow. So after that pulls away, we still get some scattered snow showers Friday night into Saturday. You see them coming in like that. Those could deposit another dusting or another little coating of snow of less than 1 inch. If we're going to get an inch, it's going to be far northern Fulton County due to a little bit of lake effect. And yet again, some scattered snow showers Sunday into Monday as well, coming in from the northwest, strong northwest winds, bitterly cold weather, and we're going to lay down a little bit more. This is going to be generally less than 1 inch, maybe up to an inch in a few places. But you get the idea, a little bit more accumulation, not a huge amount, but enough to slicken it a little bit because it will be cold enough for all the snow to stick. And then we get a very small window where it rises above freezing. And with that, a brief bout of a few showers and a few flakes midweek with an Arctic front. Once that Arctic front goes through, we open the gate for round 1 of brutally cold air. I mean, the air we're getting now is cold enough, and you could kind of take the air we're getting coming in now or what's going to be here this weekend, early next week. You could consider that part of the first wave. If not, if it wasn't punctuated by the brief warm-up Wednesday. But this first round will likely send us a little below 0. Then we warm up, and at the end of January, early February, we have a second round of cold. And the second one may actually be more intense and longer lasting than the first one. The first one's potent enough, the second one may be a little more potent. Wouldn't surprise me if we get some lows around 20 below 0, 10 below 0, something like that. Because it appears we could lay down a snowpack. The first system we've got to watch impacting us a week from this weekend. The conditions are favorable for a Clipper to come down here, a storm here to phase with it, and then that thing to roll up the front and bring us snow and perhaps a little bit of ice. Now, they both got to phase at the right time. It is possible that the Clipper goes here and the storm goes down here. And we're on the northern end of it, or it's south of us, or the storm moves through here and the Clipper kind of follows and brings us snow too. There's a lot of exact details we don't know. But I can tell you that the conditions are still there for a winter storm. And that'll be something that we do need to watch a week from this weekend. And the overall trend for February, temperatures running a little below normal and precip running normal to a little bit above normal with above normal snowfall. Now I think start of February is bitterly cold. It stays quite cold up through the 10th. We'll probably have a big warm up in the middle, and then we end February with temperatures quite a bit below normal. So it will average out looking like this. Temperatures a little below normal. All right, tonight we're down to 12 in Greater Lafayette anyway. Snow showers shifting more to the northeast and the east, but windy and cold. Boy, winds gusting 28 to 40, especially the early half of the night, but we're 9 above for a low at Wheatfield, Winnemac, 11 Monticello, 14 Crawfordsville, 13 down here at Frankfort, and the wind chills will be running 8 below 0 to 3 above. So we'll have those wind chills tomorrow morning, still single digit to teens wind chills tomorrow afternoon. The lake effect in the northeast goes away, and then we get sunshine, 24, but a little bit on the breezy side. So still that pretty potent wind chill lingering into the afternoon with highs at 20 to 26. On Friday, so we have the wave of snow with accumulation in the morning, then it tapers, the sun tries to come out, and then scattered snow showers and a couple squalls in the evening with winds gusting 30 to 40. Now, 19 for a low, 24 in the morning with the snow. So the snow sticks well, but then we shoot up to 35 with a melt in the afternoon, and highs running from 32 to about 37 forecast area wide, with your wind chills running in the 20s. Scattered snow showers Saturday, 23, 16 Sunday for a high, 15 on Monday for MLK Day, 17 on Tuesday with 2 in the morning. We rise Tuesday night and then get some scattered rain snow showers Wednesday, windy. Then we tank again, colder weather coming in, and we got to watch the week from this weekend. We're going to see what happens with the Clipper and the system out of Texas.